After transforming electric cars, renewable energy, and space exploration, Tesla has revealed the Tesla Smart TV 2025, an unexpected game changer. This new product not only pushes the boundaries of technology, but it also shocks the market with an incredible price tag of just under $157. Can you believe that a production and distribution strategy is already making competitors nervous behind the scenes? Could this be the next tech revolution solution to follow in the footsteps of Tesla's groundbreaking vehicles? Why is its design so remarkable? In today's video, let's examine the reasons for the astounding pricing and the extent of production progress. What distinguishes the Tesla Smart TV 2025 from other tech products? Makes the Tesla Smart TV 2025, at first appearance, a true standout in the IT industry. The innovative design of the Tesla Smart TV redefines the aesthetics of contemporary home entertainment. In a market where rival models like the Samsung Q90C and LG OLED G3 average thicknesses of 25mm and 20mm, respectively, its incredibly thin profile tapering to an astounding 4mm at its thinnest point is not just a feat of engineering but also a bold statement. The nearly invisible bezels, measuring only 1mm, create an immersive viewing experience that rivals the frameless designs of high-end OLED TVs while setting a new standard. A minimalist benchmark made of tempered glass and 85% recycled aluminum alloy, the sturdy yet refined design philosophy of Tesla's vehicles is echoed by the Tesla Smart TV. In contrast to many competitors, including models like the Sony A95L, which mostly rely on plastic shells that are cost-effective but lack durability, this choice of materials not only ensures great longevity but also highlights Tesla's dedication to sustainability. Tempered glass adds a glossy surface that improves the TV's visual appeal and increases its robustness, making it less likely to scratch or break than traditional materials. This adds to the premium feel and environmental concern of Tesla's product. The display technology of the Tesla Smart TV sets a new standard for visual excellence, making it stand out in a crowded market. Driven by next-generation 8K micro technology, the screen reaches an unprecedented peak brightness of 2500 nits, outperforming Samsung's QN900C, which is rated at 2000 nits, and LG's signature ZX OLED, which peaks at 1000 nits. Even in brightly light spaces, where conventional OLEDs frequently suffer from glare, this brightness guarantees flawless clarity. With a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels, the contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1 provides deep depth and dynamic range that greatly beyond the 500,000 to 1 usually provided by high-end QLED models, allowing for a vivid and immersive viewing experience. With 4 times the clarity of 4K screens, the Tesla Smart TV ensures incredibly crisp images for even the smallest details. With a color accuracy of delta E less than 1 a level, which is characteristic of professional-grade monitors, its HDR Pro Max system produces colors that are realistic and constant from all viewing angles. This benefit is especially noticeable in dimly lit areas where conventional LED screens frequently experience color distortion and blooming. In addition, Tesla's tiny panels perform better than those of its rivals, using 30% less energy and having 20% more pixels than Samsung's flagship QN900C. These developments not only improve the viewing experience but also increase the display's lifespan to an industry-high 100,000 hours, which is almost twice as long as the typical 6,000 hours of premium OLED TVs. Moreover, Tesla uses cutting-edge heat dissipation technology to keep the screen cool even after extended use. A crucial component for preserving longevity and performance in high-brightness panels by combining unparalleled brightness, exceptional durability and accurate color reproduction. The 8K micro technology from Tesla offers a viewing experience that completely changes what users might anticipate from a smart TV. The special qualities of Tesla make this TV better. The Tesla AI personal assistant is more than simply a display. It makes recommendations for material based on your watching preferences using sophisticated neural networks. Bo has a 95% prediction accuracy using methods for machine learning. With response rates of less than 10 milliseconds, its AI-driven interface facilitates smooth navigation and is noticeably faster than the typical 50 milliseconds of comparable devices. It provides real-time translation for smooth operation together with multilingual voice control in over 20 languages. Users can monitor and control their Tesla Powerwall systems or solar roofs from the TV thanks to its global integration with Tesla's ecosystem. Additionally, it offers high-speed connectivity of up to 1 bit per second without relying on traditional fiber optic networks, outperforming many competitors that require external dongles or have limited broadband speeds. Moreover, its low latency with its combination of premium design and 8K streaming and real-time gaming capabilities, the Starlink connection is raising the bar for entertainment technology. Redefining what a smart TV can be with its innovative display quality and unique Tesla features positions it as a game-changer for home entertainment. Please share your thoughts about the Tesla Smart TV's design in the first remark if you like its incredibly thin appearance. If you choose a more conventional design, please explain why. Don't forget to subscribe and become Core Tech's second subscriber. Why is the Tesla? Why is the pricing of the Tesla Smart TV 2025 the best deal ever? The pricing of the Smart TV 2025 is genuinely the best offer ever. When the industry was shocked to learn that the Tesla Smart TV 2025 will start at little under $157, it redefined what cutting-edge technology at this pricing point can provide at an unheard-of value. Even mid-range 4K models from well-known brands like Sony and Samsung, which normally start around $600 to $1,000 for comparable sizes, are significantly undercut by Tesla's groundbreaking television. With pricing scaling proportionally, Tesla's Smart TV comes in a variety of sizes, from 55 to 85 inches. The 55-inch model is still around $157, the 65-inch model is forecast to cost $399, and the flagship 885-inch model is anticipated to cost less than $999. Strikingly different from LG's flagship X, which retails for $3,999 for the same size. Certain cost points question established pricing schemes, particularly for 8K monitors, which are often more expensive. How is such revolutionary pricing accomplished by Tesla? The company's proficiency in vertical integration and large-scale manufacturing, utilizing its current gigafactories, is the key. By manufacturing these processes internally, Tesla lessens its reliance on third-party suppliers and achieves a cost reduction of up to 40% compared to outsourcing, which typically incurs higher margins and logistical complexities. One example of how Tesla has revolutionized component production is its custom-designed AI processor, known as the Tesla Neural Core V2. This advanced processor is fabricated using a 7-nanometer process and delivers up to 20 trillions of operations per second of computing power, ensuring seamless AI-driven functionalities like adaptive content suggestions, voice recognition, and real-time optimization for streaming. Additionally, Tesla's unique software is essential to cost-effectiveness. The TV's operating system, which is based on Tesla's strong platform architecture, incorporates AI algorithms that are specifically tailored for its hardware, doing away with the need for pricey third-party licensing fees, which in conventional models from rivals can reach $50 per unit. Additionally, the software's modular design allows Tesla to distribute updates via an OTA. One major advantage over competing smart TVs is the ability to prolong product longevity and eliminate the need for expensive hardware upgrades. Optimus. Tesla's humanoid robot increases the potential for cost savings by automating labor-intensive industrial operations. According to estimates, Optimus can complete repeated assembly jobs for a fraction of the price of human labor. For example, estimations indicate a 30% reduction in labor costs across gigafactories compared to typical assembly lines. Labor expenses of $100 per unit could be incurred. With optimal integration, this might drop to about $70, greatly increasing total productivity, while Optimus's AI capabilities allow for quick adaptation to changing production needs, boosting throughput and decreasing downtime. Another important component of Tesla's business plan is its direct-to-consumer (DTC) business model, which involves only selling online. Tesla avoids the usual 20 to 30% markup that distributors and retailers apply by skipping traditional retail channels. This strategy guarantees price transparency for customers while also streamlining the supply chain. Furthermore, Tesla's gigafactories provide unmatched economies of scale. For instance, it is projected that a gigafactory producing smart TVs will produce over 50,000 units monthly, using sophisticated robots and automated assembly lines to save labor costs. Comparing this level of output to rivals who depend on disjointed outsourced assembly methods, production costs per unit are greatly decreased. The Tesla Smart TV 2025 offers an unmatched value proposition in the market thanks to its aggressive pricing, state-of-the-art technology, and calculated cost savings. Would you buy one for just $157? Let us know if you think that's a fantastic deal or if it seems too good to be true. How will global manufacturing and distribution be revolutionized by Tesla's smart TV? How will the smart TV from Tesla transform worldwide production and delivery? Tesla's aspirations. Its ambitious production and distribution plan for its Smart TV 2025 highlights its readiness to completely transform the market. Manufacturing will be concentrated in gigafactories in Texas and Berlin that use cutting-edge automation and robotics. These facilities should run at maximum efficiency, in contrast to existing TV makers, whose yearly production of high-end models typically caps at 1 to 2 million units per series. Tesla is aiming for an extraordinary manufacturing volume of 5 million pieces in the first year alone, beginning in Q1 2025. One of the leading rivals in the market, Samsung's flagship Neo QLED range, manufactured almost 3 million units worldwide in 2023. This number is almost doubled by Tesla's objective, indicating its supremacy. Tesla's sophisticated production techniques are the secret to this enormous output. For example, the Berlin factory's integration with Tesla's proprietary Optimus robots guarantees a labor cost reduction of up to 70% when compared to traditional assembly methods, while Gigafactory Tech will house more than 150 fully automated assembly lines that can produce a smart TV every 45 seconds. Full production ramp-up is anticipated by the end of Q2 2025 in 2018. It is anticipated that this unmatched efficiency will reduce production costs by about 30%, allowing Tesla to retain aggressive pricing while maintaining premium quality. Tesla's approach to distribution is equally revolutionary. The first deployment will, within the first 6 months of production, focus on key countries including the US, Europe, and China, which together account for more than 60% of global sales of smart TVs. Unlike rivals like LG and Sony, who depend on vast retail networks, Tesla hopes to reach a 15% market penetration rate in these areas with the help of a strong online sales platform. While traditional TV manufacturers typically have a 6-week lead time for delivery during peak seasons, Tesla's direct-to-consumer strategy expedites the supply chain, removing middleman markups and guaranteeing faster delivery times. Beginning in the second quarter of 2025, the second phase of the distribution plan will concentrate on expanding into emerging markets, such as Southeast Asia, Latin America, and parts of the Middle East. Although these regions are currently underrepresented in high-end smart TV sales, they are experiencing rapid growth, with projected by 2026. Tesla expects its smart TV to be available in more than 50 countries with cumulative sales exceeding 10 million units, an accomplishment that would solidify its position as a disruptive force in the global smart TV industry. The company's ability to scale production quickly gives it a distinct advantage as demand surges in these developing economies. Market expansions of 12 to 15% annually through 2027. With its innovative production and distribution approach, Tesla Smart TV 2025 promises to revolutionize the smart TV market and upend the competition by fusing cutting-edge design, groundbreaking technology, and an unbeatable pricing. Tesla wants to provide millions of people globally with access to high-end entertainment. How do you feel about Tesla's foray into the smart TV market? Would you be willing to pay the startling price for the Tesla Smart TV? Please leave a comment below with your ideas, and remember to like this video. To ensure you don't miss any of our most recent changes, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications.